everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you two super useful mouse shortcuts in Google Chrome that can help you browse faster and multitask more easily. These tricks are especially useful for students, office workers, or anyone who opens a lot of tabs while browsing. First, let's learn how to close tabs quickly using your mouse. For this example, I already have several tabs open. Now move your cursor over any tab you want. Instead of clicking the small X button, simply press the mouse wheel, also known as the middle click. And just like that, the tab closes instantly. It's a faster and easier way to manage multiple tabs while browsing. Now let's learn how to open links in a new tab using middle click. For this example, we'll use Wikipedia. Hover your cursor over any link on the page. Then press the mouse wheel or middle click on the link. As you can see, the link instantly opens in a new tab without interrupting your current page. This is really useful when researching, reading articles, or watching multiple videos at the same time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.